Hi, probably you have heard about dropshipping, you have read about it, and you think you have what it takes to build a business and run it from a beach in the Maldives. But you have doubt. You never start a business before, and you can't tell is it too good to be true. You never bought a domain before. You are not sure why everyone should go to your domain instead go to the Amazon. Even though you have started, but you have no idea what is the blueprint for the entire dropshipping business. What are the mistakes for the most beginner did? What are the major success step by step for the dropshipping business? If you have thought like this channel is for you. So, in this video, we are going to cover every fears, worry, questions, and insecurity that you have for getting starting with a dropshipping business. And we will show you the 7 major success steps for the beginner and 4 phases for dropshipping business. And lastly, at the end of the video, I will share you my ebook 700 Niches Market for Dropshipping, and it's free for you. Hi, my name is Mac Klauss. Some of my friends will just call me MK. And I'm a full-time digital marketer, and now I'm building up my YouTube channel to share of my knowledge mostly on how to making money online. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and turn on the bell, and don't forget give me a comment at the below. The reason why I suggest to build your own online store is because it allows you to own everything. When you're selling through eBay, Amazon, Lazada, Shopee, things really come down to pricing. By using the platform, you're putting yourself in a higher risk to getting caught in the price war. This is because when a customer key in what they want, it show up all the similar product in one site. When you're building your own online store, you can control everything. The content, the lead, and the customer data is all yours. This gives you more power with your marketing and advertising. It enables you to control how many people to buy through your website. I highly recommend build your own online store. The dropshipping business model is very simple and direct. It starts with building your own e-commerce store and list a product on your website and customize it to fit your audience. But those products, are you selling? Well, that is a different supplier and a brand products. You may think of why don't these companies sell their product directly? The thing is, there is a companies that only focus on innovating product and that really a retailer to sell them. That way you come into as a dropshipping retailer, you'll be the selling for this brand who don't sell to the public. You look for the people to sell their products and make their money and grow their business for them. You are one of these retailers. You want to focus on getting approved to sell for the different companies. After you approve, you put their product on your online store, and then you will advertise to bring people to your store. You'll get their price list and put their product for the sales on your site. When someone buy, you place the order with the supplier. You only order the product after the customer have paid you. Then you contact that supplier and say, hey, ship the item to the XYZ, to the customer ABC. So the entire transaction, you have no touching any inventories and all your money is on the cloud. If you need your money, you just transfer to your local bank account. It's very convenient with the PayPal and Stripe. Now that you have a good overview of what is dropshipping is and what it can do for you, you're ready to see the step by step to the success in the e-commerce, in the dropshipping. And in the next section, we will share you the 7 steps that I use to create a very successful dropshipping store. Step 1 is about finding the right niche, what you will be selling. The key to be good niche is to be specific. Your goal isn't to be sell a bunch of different type of products. You have no interest in trying to be Amazon. Stick to the specific need and you will find the later step much more easier and you will end up making more money with your own store. Stay tuned on the channel. At the end of the video, I will share you my research of 700 niche market for dropshipping for you to build your own business. Step 2 is reaching your future competitors, and it's easier than you think. You're going to online and find a website that are already selling in the prospective niche. And then you need to find out a couple of the things about this site. For example, what the best selling product, what the pricing and the approach product, what are their product page and how do you fill it. As such, do they have a warehouse, showroom or retail store? The goal is to find the companies that are sell online for multiple brands but have no physical presence. This show you they are dropship suppliers and admin can compete with them. Step 3 is all about setting up your store. Yes! Before you even found your supplier, you have to be able to show the supplier where you will be selling their products. That's why they are actually approved us and we can move on to the next step. This build trust with your potential supplier so that they want to work with you. Step 4 is finding the supplier for your niche and getting approved to sell for them. You do this by reaching out by the phone or email. This is where you show them the store you build up in step 3. It may take a little bit of time and perseverance to the final to get your supplier, but keep at it, it will pay off. Step 5 is all about optimizing for the conversion. Basically, it's doing certain things to get more people to buying and make more from each person. We check every single step from the sales funnel, from the ad creation, landing page, and even checkout page. What is the customer experience? Step 6 is all about bringing people to your store. There are definitely techniques for bringing more traffic to your website, but the real trick is getting good quality traffic. The way you're getting most out of the money you are spending on your paid traffic. There are many sources of paid traffic for dropshipping, but if you don't want to waste a bunch of money, you should focus on few of the best. Step 7 is building a successful dropshipping store is to start outsourcing and automate your tasks. Only do this step after you have found your niche, build your own store, get your approval from the supplier, optimize your conversion, and you have the traffic coming in, and you are getting sales, the most important things. More of the last step is achieved by using app or plugin that will automate day-to-day tasks for you. That's way you don't have to work as much while still making money. Outsource by hiring a virtual assistant to take over the basic and repetitive tasks so you can work as little or as much as you want. There are 4 stages for the dropshippers. The first stage is which your daily revenues is less than $1,000 or your strategy is like the rat race, finding product, test product, scale it and make it profit on, and we call this as a testing the models. The second stage is your daily revenue is $1,000 or the less than $3,000 per day. The strategy is almost similar with the beginning part. It's just much that you are professionals on the marketing, on the sales, and we call it as a proven concept. The stage 3, which your daily revenue is $3,000 and less than $8,000. The strategy that is used is the white label on your winning product, which more of your customer are the hot traffics. The final stage, which your daily revenue is a skyrocket high, and we call this type of the store as a branded niche store. And this is our ultimate goal, and you really have your own brand, loyal customer, membership, and your business is run automatically. As promised, I will share you my research on the 700 niches market for the dropshipping business. You can download the ebook from the link below. Next video, I will share you how to make your dropshipping business profitable. And next, what are the most common mistakes for the beginner should avoid when they are starting up their dropshipping business. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe button as well as turn on the bell and leave your comment below. And never forget, please follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more tips daily. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.